Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to do folk painting. We will make lion, Christmas tree, flower and bird with the help of folk and color. So let's get started with the video. First draw a circle for the face of the lion. Draw two circles for eyes. Draw nose and mouth. Draw mustaches also. Take some color. Dip your fork in the color and dab it on the paper to make the hair of lion. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमें इसे इवन डिस्टेंस पर ही बनाना है, हम इसे रैंडम डैबिंग करके भी बना सकते हैं. Dab, 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 dab. Our lion is complete. Now we will make Christmas tree. First draw the base. Color it with brown color. Dip your fork in green color. Now again dabbing. We will dab it in a triangular shape to make it look like a Christmas tree. Dab, 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 dab. Dabbing, dabbing, dabbing. Keep dabbing until the tree is complete. Next we are going to make flower, and following that we will draw beautiful bird by folk painting. For making flower, first draw grass-like stem with light green color. Make flowers by dabbing fork and try to use different colors for the flowers, just as I am doing in the video. Now we will draw the outline of the bird. After that, we will fill colors as shown in the video. The part I have not colored should be left blank. Now we will do the dabbing with fork to make feathers of the bird. And our bird is complete now. Thanks for watching.